Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Workforce planning is an important process that helps businesses prepare for the future. It involves analyzing the current staff and predicting what the company will need in terms of workers down the line. This is especially important because businesses face many changes, such as the introduction of new technology like automation, which can reduce the need of certain jobs. Other times, businesses might see a drop in demand for their products or services, leading them to reduce staff or even close some factories, shops, or offices. Sometimes companies may decide to move their operations abroad or merge with other businesses, which can also affect the number of workers needed. To handle these changes smoothly, the human resource department plays a key role in workforce planning. They start by finding out the skills of all current employees so they know who can take on different roles if needed. They also consider if any employees are planning to leave soon, either through retirement or other reasons, so they can plan to replace them. Consulting with existing staff helps identify who is capable of taking on new responsibilities or learning new skills. Based on this information, HR prepares a recruitment plan. This plan includes deciding whether to promote existing employees or to find new staff for outside the company. Overall, workforce planning helps ensure that a business has the right number of skilled workers ready to meet future challenges and opportunities. It helps keep the business efficient and competitive in changing times.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.